How to lower mobile data usage on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up settings on your device. Now simply scroll down and tap on mobile network. Again scroll down and find data usage. If you don't find the setting here, simply go back, tap on the search bar. Now type data usage. Now tap on search. Now tap on data usage. Now tap on data usage limit. Now tap on data usage limit. Now enable the toggle. Now set a limit to your data usage. Then tap on done. Now simply go back. Then tap on data saving. Now simply enable this toggle and tap on turn on. Now tap on unrestricted apps. Now turn off the toggle for all unrestricted apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.